Today, rubber is everywhere. It carries cars across highways, protects electrical wires, seals machinery, but in the early 1800s, natural rubber had a serious problem. In hot weather, it softened into a sticky mess. In cold weather, it became hard, brittle, and likely to crack. Many people believed rubber would never become a dependable material. Charles Goodyear refused to accept that. He became convinced that rubber could be transformed into something stronger, more stable, and far more useful. For years, Goodyear experimented with powders, chemicals, and different treatments. Again and again, his experiments failed. His obsession consumed his money, pushed his family into hardship, and left him deeply in debt. Still, he continued searching for an answer. Then, in 1839, something unexpected happened. According to the famous account, Goodyear accidentally dropped a mixture of natural rubber and sulfur onto a hot stove. The surface darkened, but the material remained firm. It was stronger, more elastic, and far more resistant to temperature than ordinary rubber. Goodyear realized that heat was the missing ingredient. He continued experimenting until he developed a controlled process for heating rubber with sulfur. The process became known as vulcanization, named after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Vulcanized rubber could withstand heat without melting and cold without becoming dangerously brittle. For the first time, rubber became reliable enough for widespread practical use. It began appearing in waterproof products, machinery, hoses, belts, shoes, and protective equipment. Decades later, vulcanized rubber became essential to bicycles, automobiles, and modern transportation. Charles Goodyear never became wealthy from his discovery. He spent years fighting over patents and died deeply in debt. But his invention transformed manufacturing, transportation, and everyday life.